Hello students, let us now understand what is an expression and an equation, and we will also differentiate between both this term. Let us now understand what is an expression. An expression is a mathematical phrase with numbers, variables and operators. So basically what do you understand by this? That we have a phrase. Now this word phrase you must have come across in the subject English. Okay, so even here in mathematics we understand that expression is a phrase which includes numbers, variables and operators. It is combination of all these three. So let us take an example, 2x plus 6. So you see here 2 is a number, x is a variable, then we have an operation that is addition here, and then 6 is again a number. So combination of numbers, variables, operators is nothing but an example of an expression. So let us look at some more examples now. 6x squared is also an expression because it has a number and a variable. X squared plus 6 plus y, is it an expression? Yes, it is, because it has variable, operators and a number. Let's say we talk about 4 plus y minus 3. This is also an expression because it has number, variable and different operations. So in mathematics we have a specific branch of algebra which deals with symbols. So that is where we talk about these algebraic expressions. Let us now talk about equations. What are equations? Now if you notice, the word equation, it comes from the word called as equal. It actually talks about equality of something. So we can say that equation is a statement of equality of two expressions. So when you have two expressions and an equality symbol in between, so what does that mean? Let us take an example. 2x plus 4 is an expression, isn't it? But the minute I say that this expression is equal to 6, now if you notice, this is no more an expression because you have equality symbol here. So when we have this equality symbol, what are we trying to say? We are trying to say that the entire expression 2x plus 4, its value is equal to 6. Similarly, when you look at 2y plus 10 equals y. So here you see this expression 2y plus 10 is equal to another expression, that is y. So the minute we say that these two expressions are equal, so they no more be an expression, they are now an equation. Why? Because the two expressions are now connected by an equality sign. So you can have equations of many different forms or many different types. Let's say for example, x minus y divided by x plus y equals 6. This is also an equation. Or you say 2x equals 8. This is also an equation. Or you may say 6x equals 0. This is also an equation. So there could be n number of examples for equation. But what we want to emphasize is whenever we talk about equation, there has to be an equality symbol which equates the left hand side and the right hand side. So as we move further, you will understand that in an equation, this will be represented as left hand side and this will be represented as right hand side. You take any equation, even in this will be left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay, similarly here this is left hand side and this is right hand side. And left hand side should be equal to right hand side at any point in time. In all these equations, the examples what is given here, everywhere the left hand side should be equal to the right hand side. So in this case 2x plus 4 will be equal to 6. So when you solve the left hand side, you should have exact answer, that is 6. So these are the basic difference between the expression and the equation. So I hope all have understood the basic difference between an expression and an equation.